Smile. Smile at other people. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Is happiness the underpinning of optimism, or is optimism an underpinning of happiness? It doesn't matter. We know happier people tend to be more optimistic, and we know optimistic people tend to be happier. Never underestimate the power of a smile. We know that smiling stimulates brain patterns which reinforce feelings of happiness and optimism. Smiling does so in a way that even chocolate, a well-regarded pleasure inducer, cannot match. In short, our brain feels good and tells us to smile. We then smile. This then tells our brain to feel good, and the cycle goes on. Are you smiling now? Have you smiled at anyone today? Some easy steps to smile more. Smile the moment you wake up. Remind yourself in the morning that you are going to smile more today. Think about a situation or event that brings you joy. Practice smiling in the mirror. Smile at everyone you see. Be comfortable with smiling and recognize the benefits that smiling brings you. Just smile, and if necessary, fake it till you make it.